So let's take a look at how to compile file with Babel CLI and how you can set up Babel CLI on your system so that you can compile ES6, 7 and 8 code into current browser supported JavaScript code. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install Babel CLI on my system, and from there onwards I'm going to execute my code. Okay, so first thing, open command prompt, and here make sure to install with npm space install, then space -g, then babel-cli. This should install Babel on command line, and you get to use it globally from any directory or drive. Okay, next thing is if you are using yarn, you can also use yarn global add, then babel-cli. This should do the same job as npm global install. Okay, and after that, once you install Babel CLI, you need to install preset environment plugin. The reason being, you can use multiple ECMA script standards using this plugin. So type in npm install babel-preset and -env. Okay, now once these two are installed, you get to work with any Babel project that you have. Okay, now here I'm going to create one with my directory. Let's name it babel-test. So mkdir babel-test is the command I'm using, and after that I'm going to use babel-test. Okay, once you're in this directory, you can again go for npm install babel, then preset, then -env, then /save -div. Okay, this should install Babel preset environment for this directory, and also you may have to create your package.json. So you can type in npm init-y. That should create your package.json. Okay, and next thing is we have to open that package.json file. Okay, so here is my directory. I'm going to open that. Okay, and here I have added a script for build where I am specifying Babel, then source needs to be compiled and converted into this directory. So src in this directory needs to be in your babel-test, so src and dist. Now within that I have created one file. Let's name it demo.js. Okay, and I'm going to open that with code here. Okay, and I'm going to write the code within this demo.js, which is going to be CMA 2016, and which should be compiled to this dist. Okay, so let me just clean things up. Right, so once you have set up your package.json, to point your build to dist folder, you have to mention Babel, then space src, then -d to dist, so that it can take the input from source directory and compile down to dist. Okay, now here what we're going to do is we are going to write our ECMA 6 code. So let keyword instead of variable we are going to use. So let's assign value, let a1, then let b2, and let's see if I want to swap them with ECMA 6 code. I'm going to use a comma b, then equals to within bracket b comma a. Okay, now here console.log, then a value of a, Similarly, console.log, then value of b. Okay, the reason being, here I have mentioned these two is because we are swapping in the value of a and b. So value of a should come out as 2 and value of b should come out as 1. Okay, and that output should be in our this directory right here. Okay, so make sure that you have edited your source file and not destination file. Okay, now the next thing that needs to be done here is you have to open command prompt. Okay, now here you have to go to your babel-desktop directory and type in npm, then let's say run and build. And as you can see, your Babel source to destination conversion started. Okay, and conversion completes my message source demo.js, then list demo.js. Now let's move to test directory, and here you can run node demo.js. And you see the value of a swapped to 2, value of b swapped to 1. Also, let's take a look at the code that it generated. Okay, now this is from the source file, which makes use of let keyword, and in destination it continued as is. Okay, because we didn't specify in our package.json which ECMA preset that we want to work with. Okay, so here you have to mention about that and which preset your Babel should be using. Okay, so if you mention that, then this code for your destination let will be converted into variable and so on, and so does this A and B swapping gets converted with much more detailed output. Okay, so you get the idea that how to work with Babel CLI for compiling your ECMA code into browser compatible code.